Good morning, student. I am Sanjit Kumar. Today our fifth class of 8th standard. Our topic is properties of rational number for division. As we have learned all the properties of multiplication, hope you have tried your best to solve the problems. Now, today class for the property of rational number for division. We have only 2 or 3 properties for division, and out of those three properties, let's see how much follow the division rule or not. Number 1, closure property. As we know what is closure property. All of you are already knowing the closure property for the two rational number. We have seen in addition, if we find the sum of two rational number, it will be a rational number. If we find the difference of two rational number, it will be a rational number. And if we multiply two rational number, we get a new rational number. Now in division, if we divide two rational number, if we divide a by b with c by d, we will get a by b into d by c, that is ad by bc, that is also a rational number. If b and d here, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d, any one not equal to 0. Either of the four rational number not equal to 0, then only it will follow our condition. Okay, now let's see example. As we have told you, a not equal to b, no, any one not equal to 0 means, look here, 4 by 5 divide with 3 by 6, you will get 4 by 5 into 6 by 3, you will get 8 by 5, that is, it is rational. It is rational. Here in place of equal you can give comma also. Okay? Any of the four not equal to 0. Now, it is a rational. Another example, 7 by 15 divided with 8 by 20, you will get 7 by 15 into 20 by 8, you will get 3, 4, 4, 2, 7 by 6, that is rational. In both places we have got rational number. Now, second property come on commutative property. If a by b and c by d are two rational number, then a by b divided with c by d never equal to a c by d divided with a by b. In some cases it may be, but that is exceptional. All generally we will get a by b divided c by d. It is not equal to c by d divided a by b. Look here, example. If 4 by 5 divided 3 by 7, what you get? 4 by 5 into 7 by 3, that is 28 by 15. And 3 by 7 divided 4 by 5, that is also 3 by 7 into 5 by 4, what you get? 15 by 28. In the both cases what we have seen, that the result is getting opposite, means not equal. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Hence we can say that commutative property does not exist for the rational number for division. Okay. Now come on the another topic, student, that is associative property. What is associative property? Let's see associative property. Associative property. Now, for any three rational number, i.e. a by b, c by d, and e by f, we have a by b divided c by d divided e by f not equal to a by b divided c by d divided e by f. It means associative property does not exist for the rational number for division. We will see that with the example. Let's we have taken a by b 4 by 5, c by d 3 by 7, e by f 3 by 8. Now look here. LHS we have a by b divided c by d divided e by f in bracket. Now a by b, what is a by b? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 divided 3 by 7 divided 3 by 8. What we get? 4 by 5 divided 3 by 7 into 8 by 3. Finally we get 4 by 5 divide 8 by 7. And again you get 4 by 5 into 7 by 8. You got it. Finally you get 7 by 10. In LHS we have got that. Now look what we are getting in RHS. Look at it. In LHS what we have got? A by B divided C by D divided E by F means 4 by 5 divided 3 by 7 divided 3 by 8. Finally we have got 7 by 10. Now in RHS, what will be the RHS? You look here, a by b divided c by d, in bracket it is, and then e by f. We have a by b 4 by 5, it will divide with 3 by 7, and then we have to divide with 3 by 8. 4 by 5 into 7 by 3, that is divide 3 by 8. We get 28 by 15 divided 3 by 8. 28 by 15 into 8 by 3. And what we got? We get a result which is not equal to the previous result. We get 196, 224 by 45. How much we get? 224 by 45. 28 into 8 it will be 224 and 15 into 3 it will be 45. Here we got LHS not equal to RHS. Hence we can say that associative property does not exist for the division. Okay, means we have three properties for the division, but only one exists, that is closure property, but other three property means other two property not exist. Okay, here we have seen with the example. Now our next topic, that is let's choose. If any doubt you have, you can comment in the comment box. So student, come on the next topic, that is our finding a rational number between two rational numbers. We have already discussed that property. Now, with the help of formula, question is find three rational number. Find three rational number between 4 by 5 and 9 by 12. We have to find three rational number between 4 by 5 and 9 by 12. Here student, we have suppose that A is 4 by 5 and B is 9 by 12. We will make it small, that will be 3 by 4. So 4 by 5 and 3 by 4, between these two rational number, you have to find three more rational number. Already we have discussed about finding a one or two rational number. Now here three rational number. How to find three rational number between a two rational number? First rational number, that will be half into A plus B. That will be half into 4 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Half into, we will take the LCM of 5 and 4, that will be 20. 4 into 4, 16, and 5 into 3, 15. So half into 31 by 20, 31 by 40. Now second rational number will be any one of the two. We will take either 4 by 5 and then 31 by 40. We are taking half into 4 by 5 plus 31 by 40. We will find the LCM of 5 and 40, 40. 8 time it will come, 80 into 4, 22 and 31. Half into 63 by 40, that is 63 by 80. Now, for the third rational number, you will take any of the two. We have taken 31 by 40 and 63 by 80. Half into 80, 31, 48, 2 times 62 plus 63. You will get half into 125 by 80. That is 125 by 160. Okay student, try this type of question in your home.